I got a pane. Oh crap, there's a camera. Heat pump. Oh, I think this has been running. Maybe not, I don't know. 07. Yep. Well, the contactor just pulled in, but it's not coming on. And I heard the reversing valve coil click. I don't know what's going on there. What is going on? Huh. Oh. Dang, that thing needs a hard start kit. And there's this thing that needs to be straightened out. Teardrop. 05, and it's a 4-ton. Newer pane. Well, newer than those ones at least. That's a 2010. Got this one defrosting this winter. Here are 2 old line sets. I believe 2 pane teardrops used to be here. I believe they got moved to the back of the building. You guys probably remember this unit. This is a lot bigger than I remember. It's an 05 and it's a 3-ton. That's 06 and it looks like it's a 2-ton, I think. Side discharges. Looks just like the one at my aunt's neighborhood. Big carrier. This thing needs to be leveled. I want to put my weight on it so it doesn't fall. I missed a defrost from it a long time ago. Probably like 6 years ago now. Still here. And here's an identical one. That thing's a leaner, isn't it? I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's about like ready to fall. There's another carrier in there. I got a carrier mini split. Oh shit. Pane. This carrier's running still here. Here's a performance. Giant 09. And another one. These things are huge. Carrier. Beat up pane. Something, I don't even know what the heck that is. That is huge. Another carrier. Oh, it's time without the compressor. Yep. It's probably out on thermal, to be honest. This is the one that usually runs with high pressure, or at least what it sounds like. Big boy Merit. Did it get moved? It almost looks like it got moved. That suction line isn't all that cold. It's a carrier. 2010. Sonya. Fan motor doesn't sound good. Those are the panes that got moved earlier. Yep. Wheels are from 01. This is a giant line set. I don't know. I really don't know why they didn't just put them like right there or something. Nope. One of them just shut off. Got a pane. 08. This thing's rattling. nice and shaky. That's the one with the low ambient. Yeah, they all have low ambient kits, but that one I keep thinking I can catch a defrost from, but it's a low ambient kit every single time. This thing's loud. 2008. Fan motor doesn't sound all that great. Here we got a brand new Lennox Merit. It replaced the Train XR13. It's got an ECM 24 5-ton. This one's been here for a few years. It replaced the pane and teardrop. Got a pane there. Another one here. This one was an addition, unless they relocated. This one replaced the teardrop. This one's an 03, I think. That is a loud train down there. My gosh, it's loud. This one I got defrosting a long time ago. It's loud. That side discharge is running. Oh, they removed that package unit that was sitting there disconnected, or not package unit, it's mini split or split system. I can't talk today. That's gone. Probably 06. Yep, there was a big split system right here. You can see where everything used to be. It was sitting there. Disconnected. There's another building. I know there was one there though. This is 2011 Train. And this was installed last year. It replaced the thermal zone from I think 2014. Still very shiny. D22 and it's a 4-ton. Then there used to be 2 panes right here. There's the pads. This is loud as heck. 2007. This thing is so out of balance. Cold. Climatop does not sound too good. This one replaced an identical train. 5-ton. There's a giant York or something in there. Oh, it looks like they cleaned this one. Oh wait, oh this is actually new. 2024 5. This replaced a 2018 Lennox Merit. That replaced the pane teardrop. Wow, things do not last anymore, do they? I was gonna say, it got a lot quieter for some reason. Wonder why. Because it got replaced with an identical unit. Well, not identical, but pretty much the same. Oh gosh, it's not good. That's a straight cool pane. Someone changed the fan motor on this one. I'd like to do Ted's dollar bill test on this thing because it's all blown out right here. 01. That side discharge over there shut off. So yep, 2 brand. Oh, this one turned on. Oh my! Now we got double the noise. Actually, this one's pretty quiet. That's all this one. Oh, they added legs. There used to be 2 legs, one on each corner. Finally leveled it out. 2018. This was that train that got the 15-minute dry defrost cycle on. It's still there. Looks like there's another new mirror over there. And a newer XB. This is the one the compressor was making all those funky noises last year. 2011. Original compressor. I think it was running in reverse. Yep, they cleaned it too, so I think it's good now. I don't think it's been running. Lennox. This is the one that kept shutting on and off within like a half of a second. There's a weird issue with it. 2017. Oh, looks like they changed the motor on this train. Yep. This was the one that was making all those funky noises during the defrost, and they changed the motor. Let's see, it's spinning free now. XB right here. Look at this beast. Not that beast, this beast. Good thing this one's still here. There's a wasp trying to go in the louvers. Gosh darn, I do that every time. Yeah, I'm not getting near that wasp. Looks like this Merit lost its logo. Probably rattled itself right off of there. Tough. Looks like 2 brand new Merits. No, this one was put in last year. They replaced an XC1000. This one also replaced an XC1000. This is brand new. It was the one running without the compressor last year. It was all shaky. These both replaced XC1000s. And these both are placed XC1000s too. I think these are both brand new. I saw them last time, but that was in the winter. 23, yeah. These are ECMs. Oh my god, that is gross already. Look at that. That liquid line is not that warm actually. That's kind of surprising. Oh, you son of a bitch. So it got smashed in. Glad I got that. That is a rusty Climatoph. Looks like this one got the motor changed. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Couple Samsung. Pain. It's working great. This one's 2021. This one's newer, 2020. Okay, 22. Looks like 13. Got a new motor. 6. 2.5 so. XC1000 still remains. 96. That's almost in the metal datasheet era. Oh, is this new? I think this is new. the date of manufacture on this thing? I can't, that might not be new, that's gross. Yeah, I can't find a manufacturer. Big Lennox. I do not remember that Mitsubishi. That's where it's rattling from. The screws loose. There we go. It's better. Oh, it got hit by something. Oh, looks like that's another brand new Merit. XE100. I mean, 1000. 96. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, this is definitely new. 23. I'll have to look back, see what this replaced. I'd imagine an XE. You know what? I think I remember. There's an XE that was all smashed in. This might have been it. And yeah, this has been on here for a while. I don't know why. It's just like the one that had the motor failure. What the heck? That is one skinny liquid line. I thought that was a thermostat wire at first. This Merit sounds real nice. That's worse than the one I got defrosted. Is that rattling? No, that's the motor. 19. Very filthy teardrop. Oh, here we got a metal data sheet. 3-ton from 1992. That is one strong fan. Here we got a Concord. Or something that's running. Oh, that's hot air. 2010's 3-ton. Ooh, that's a hot lick. That's really hot. No name. This is just a straight pull. Yeah, that's probably why the liquid line's so hot. It's filthy and it has an LG compressor. Oh, they might have fixed it actually. Nope, they didn't. Wonder if I should touch that or not. I don't even know if the compressor's running. No, it's not. Yep. Crazy works. There you go, Lawson. I said it. I mean, they can't really do much else other than get a longer whip. Because, I mean, they can't put it right close to the gas meter. And there's a window there. But honestly, that's just stupid. Yep, it's this one. Oh. That doesn't sound good. That liquid line is skinny and freaking hot. 94. Surprised this one's still here. You guys will see why in a second. That and that. I don't know what kind of compressor that is. It's probably a Copeland. Motor's still that. This has been like this for long, and there's a bag of Lay's chips in there. Could go for some of those right now. Yeah, this is a Concord. And is this a new Merit? Newer, 21. It's a Merit, and looks like 19. ICP. It's a 4-ton. It's a small 4-ton. I hear a Climatop roaring away over here. 94. That's ice cold. Oh, and that's why. XE1000. There's a very buried American Standard Silver Series. Ouch. I have the data somewhere, but whatever, I'll get it. It's filthy. I believe that's the only American standard on the property. The rest are train. I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I think. Look at this thing. Fried rich. I don't know if there's ever been one like this documented. It's got a section line accumulator. Here's an 800. $19.90. Thermal. That's a small 3.5 ton. That's a straight cool. That's why. Or to stop the train. You can hear how crappy it sounds. Oh, they finally got rid of that run capacitor that was just chilling there. And this Merit didn't replace anything. Unless they relocated or something. It's a 2020. They mounted that thing pretty cool. I think this is brand new. Yep. I think this replaced some sort of train. This one was installed either last year or the year before. Same thing, just not the ECM. That's a 14 series. This is, oh, that's 17 series. Okay, that's a pretty big difference. Nice. This thing's starting to fall. Oh. Airflow doesn't seem to be that strong. 7. Here's a train with microchannel. Carrier. That's hot. Oh, there it went. That scared the crap out of me. I thought someone was going to come out of the door. Jitsu. Oh, this thing might have gotten hit. I don't think it was installed like that. Now there's no dents or anything. Maybe not. 18. This is just asking for it to get hit. Oh, it's a Mitsu. Merit just kicked on. Oh, it's a brand new Merit. 2022. About a 5-ton. I think it was this one. It replaced an ICP commercial. One of those is hissing. Just 3-phase. Nope. Here's a double stack. This thing's spinning really slow. It's got a weak capacitor. 23. Oh, wow. 2023, and it's already. I don't want to break that. Oh wait, this is a Mericopter. I think. We found another one. Here's a Mericopter. And it sounds like a Mericopter. 2.5 ton from 2023. That liquid line is cold. Oh my gosh, that's freaking awesome. At first I thought it was just running with a slow fan, but it's a Mericopter, alright. 2019. This X800 doesn't sound the healthiest. That is some really hot air. Some Merit. From 2018. That is Oil. That's not good. Pain. Yeah, I don't know if I got that or not. I don't really care. I know there was a PH13 here at one point, a couple XEs. I don't know which replaced which. 17. It's a ream. American. There you go, Generac. Because I know you guys are all over me for saying that wrong. Oh. Something. Oh, that mirror kicked on. That thing needs a hard start. That was loud. This is the train with the weird fan blades. Oh, it's got new fan blades. I'm not getting much airflow. There's a Merrick. That climatologist. XR13 2011 3-ton. Well, you know what? This is just like the one at Waterdam. I just realized that. That's identical. Just a month younger or newer. And with that train. $19.99. Listen to that thing roar. That's ice cold already. I thought that was the paint at first. There's a ream. That's a straightforward ream. That's good old Medea. That is, oh, it's a heat pump. I'll catch defrosting, maybe. Alright, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.